What is going on, everybody? We're going to do a quick unboxing for, I'm kind of late to this party too, but we're going to do a quick unboxing for the ULTRAVIEW UV3 31mm scope. Let's get to it. Sorry, I do not have my tripod, so I'm going to do this one-handed if possible. Let's get this cellophane off. And as we all know, ULTRAVIEW has awesome packaging. The little nice magnet, that's cool. And this is the 31mm, the small housing. That thing is, that's cool. That's really nice. Let's look at it on. This thing is pretty cool. I'll do more in-depth review on it at a later notice. But let's see what all comes with it. So, let's see if I'm special enough to get a signed authentication card. I don't think so. I don't think I was that special, but oh well. So, looks like we got extra batteries. You know, usually you get like the sticker kit and all that, and extra bubbles and stuff of that nature. Doesn't look like I was special enough to get all that, but is what it is. And then if in your state or wherever, if you're not able to use a light kit, you can replace that here. If you guys would, like, comment, share, subscribe. Appreciate you. Peace.